know who I am?
The Joker.
Now that you know.
Let me show you something.
Hello everyone, this is Joker Dad 007 here, variety streamer over at Twitch. Just coming to drop some information that has helped me over the first coming months of streaming. I am new to the streaming process, and these tips of the top 3 ways that have dramatically improved my reaching of audience and individuals who've come into my stream. So I thought I'd share a little bit of that with you during that process. So here we are, the first 3 ways to improve your stream. The first one I would advise is the number 1 key component is networking and community. During the networking process, you'll slowly begin to create a community within the viewers and individuals who are coming into your stream. It's very crucial that you spend a lot of time networking. This is for, say, every 2 hours of networking or streaming, you're going to spend at least double to even possibly triple that. I would say 6 hours of networking for every 2 hours of streaming. This is crucial to getting known in other chats, and don't push yourself upon anyone. Just casually talk, and this also includes Reddit, setting up social medias to have a presence on different platforms, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, such as today this video will be, and even Discord communities, just outreaching, getting to know people. Definitely crucial for getting affiliate, your average of 3 views, so many hours streamed, things like that. And the second one I would say is very big, is engage with your chat. I know I see many people where I'll join, start communicating with them, 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes go by, and no one's even responded, right? They're too stuck in the game. If you don't have multi monitor setup for visual, set up your phone, set up a tablet, something that's just there to monitor the chat. Every so often, I would say every minute, couple minutes at least, I would say a minute or 2, you should be peering over, seeing if anybody's engaged with you, respond to them, ask them how their day's going, what games have they been playing, just things to spark up casual conversation to include them in the stream. It's definitely a big key component when streaming, is to focus on the community, focus on the people who are spending their time coming out, showing you love and support, and getting that. These are ways that's helped me improve my stream. And the biggest thing is number 3, I believe, and that's advancements in education, right? Advancements are ways to improve your stream, adding blurbs, channel points once you get affiliated, adding different overlays, things that are going to spark out and bring people in. For example, Joker Dad overlay here, right? So these are things that are going to go, ooh, that person's really spending time into their stream. I want to include myself with that. And never get comfortable and complacent, should I say, with what you've done. There's always ways to improve your stream, always things to add. Never feel like, oh, this is enough, this will get me by. I even get that way sometimes, but I'm slowly learning new things. Every day, cropping new videos, adding music, just different ways that you can, outsource out. And I believe that if you follow, these key components over here, right? Your top 3 ways to improve the stream. You're spending time networking, getting to know community that you're building up on. You're engaging your chat every time they enter, and then your advancements in education. You're slowly learning the software, slowly adding new things. I believe if you tie all these things together here and push them in to your videos, to your streams, that you will become an affiliate if you're not already. And if you're already an affiliate and you really want to push that partnership, I would definitely continue. The biggest thing is the networking and community. That is going to be your key component to hit those average of 100 viewers, which I'm still working on myself. But I have, within the first couple months, had raid train level 7. I've had, very close to, over double digits of individuals, close to triple digits come into my chat. And these are ways to doing it. Your friends stop saying, these people in a Discord community want to show you some love because you've stopped into their community and showed them love. So never feel like you're getting nowhere, and never be pushy or, hey, can you stop over to my chat and come talk to me? Things like that. They'll eventually come when they want to. So again, I appreciate everybody tuning in today for this video. I want to keep it short and sweet. So the networking and community, engaging in chat, and advancements in education on, again, the software, the programs, and everything you're using. So thank you again. This has been a great video for everyone. I hope it helps any new beginners into the streaming. And hope to see you on next video. If you have any ideas that you'd like to see, drop me a comment down below, a subscribe, a follow, or even come over to JokerDad007 on Twitch when I'm streaming, and we'll see what we can come up with. Thank you again, everyone, and you have a wonderful day.
You happy with that? I sure hope so.